This is the Iron Trader TGIF with a long weekend. All right, now today should be a little bit slower here in the afternoon. People will be moving on, and then Monday will be off. So today, as usual, we're going to review crude oil and natty gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude daily chart. Now, what happened here was, let's do a little review. It went right up here, right into the 50 SMA. Could not close above. Okay, yesterday we had a big red candle, took out basically 2 days of gains. Now today, so far, we have an inside day. So the key two things that we want to watch here, again, is we want to watch this 21 SMA here, sitting at 72.17. That's going to be the support. And then we have your resistance here, 72.64. That's going to be your first resistance. Now, again, the 8-day here crossed above the 21-day. That's a very good sign. Crude came off yesterday because they're expecting OPEC here on their meeting on June 4th here to not cut supply, just to maintain. So that's why crude came off yesterday. But if you look at the chart here, okay, and you come all the way back to here, and you look at the line across, see how it's still holding the support? And if you look here, see you have a low, another higher low, a higher low, and a higher low. That's always very bullish sign here in a sideways pattern. Now, if we can get above this key 8 SMA, then your target is going to be here, this 74.61, your 50 SMA. Then we have here your 100 SMA. You're sitting at 75.84. Then we have your price channel, which is basically 76.92. And if you can get above, then what we have here, your big target is going to be $80 flat. That's your 200 SMA. Now, if this would happen to fall, always watch the previous day's high and low. So we want to look at yesterday's low here. You're sitting at $70.98. So we want to look at that. Now, if that's lost, then we just keep on going down the pattern here. Okay, so you got 70.67, you have 70.04, we have 69.41, we have 68.48, and then we have 67.95. That's if it sells off and it breaks this low and closes below, not just intraday, but closes below. But when you look at the pattern right there, it's holding the support very, very nicely. It just needs a catalyst to go either up or down. But now remember, we've got summer driving coming up here. Memorial Day starts it all off. You got the OPEC meeting here on the 4th. All right, let's take a look here now on your weekly and your monthly. All right, your weekly chart right here. Okay, so bottom line, the key support level here on this weekly is this 67.12. That's your 200 SMA. That's going to be very, very key support. And obviously, if this lost, then we go to this candle here. You're looking at 65.38. We have 64.36, and then your big retest here at 63.64. Now, on the upside, we want to look here at this 8 SMA. That's going to be very, very key resistance. You're sitting at 75.45, and then we have your 21, 75.83. Now, these are curling down, but these can reverse and go up very, very easily. If you can get close above, then you're looking at the big target, 83.40. That's your 50 SMA. Now, on your monthly, pretty much the same thing. You want to watch that 50 SMA here. You're sitting at 66 so far if it sells off. And your key level here is going to be your 72.70. That's your 200-day SMA. Now, here, if back here on this daily chart, see, you can see the series right here of the higher lows. See how clear that is? That's always a very, very bullish sign here when you have a sideways action pattern. So just, just trade the charts. Just look at these key levels here, the 21 and the 8 SMA. I'll have more for you on crude oil and natural gas here, always after pick close at 2:30. So let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, here we have natty gas. Nice, big, long, solid, just a basic action. Okay, so what we have here now is we want to look here at the key 8 SMA here. Okay, you're sitting at 2.435. That's going to be your support. Then we look next here, your 21 SMA here. You're looking right here at 2.31, and then we have your 50 SMA here sitting at 2.24. Obviously, if that's lost, then we go to the retest here, 203, and then your big target, 1.94. Now, on the upside, we want to look here at this key 100 SMA. This is sitting at 2.54. If you can get the price above, then we look at this price channel right here. You're sitting at 2.685. So your channel is still intact. 2.685 on the top, 2.03. There just isn't really much here. It just basically small scalps here, just sideways pattern here. But it's a really nice long basing pattern. If it gets a catalyst, she will rip. All right. Thanks for watching.